Now, I can't stop looking at the amazing grasses in my garden at the moment. They are so beautiful. They really are putting on a fabulous show, even now in January. So it's really worth getting them into your borders. A couple of great recommendations I'd make would be Panicum. A beautiful variety is called Panicum Heavy Metal. It's just wonderful. It's quite an upright grass. You have beautiful frothy fronds on the top of them. They are just wonderful. And at the moment, I'm looking out of my window and I can see them just swaying around in the wind, just looking fabulous. So that's my first recommendation. Another recommendation would be Calamagrostis. A lovely one is Carl Forrester. It's beautiful. It's a much bigger grass. So if you're looking at a nice big tall plant to get to the back of your borders, that would be a really fabulous one to choose. They just look wonderful. And not only do they provide all that fantastic structure all through the summer, all through autumn as well, you get it all through winter. You know, it's lovely in your if you're looking for a way to create more energy, more structure in your garden during winter time, grasses are absolutely a way to go. You don't cut them back until the end of February, so they see you through the whole cold season. Definitely get some in your borders. I've got some really great recommendations in my free ebook. If you want to go to my bio, you'll see the link. It's called 50 Fabulous Ideas to Create the Garden of Your Dreams. And it's lovely. It's got loads of plant ideas, lots of inspiration for you. If you're watching on TikTok, I'll paste the link into the comments. You just have to copy paste that into your browser. It'll work fine. But yeah, go for grasses. They really are a fabulous addition to your garden. Speak soon. Take care. Bye.